Milwaukee's highly anticipated M12 Cable Stapler is finally here. They announced this tool back in October of 21, but weren't able to release it due to supply chain issues. What else is new, right? But it's now available, and it's going to be a game changer for you electricians and cable workers out there. Milwaukee's M12 Cable Stapler is faster and more powerful than any other stapling option on the market. Rough ends can be completed 2 times faster than a hammer and can sink up to 1,200 staples in one little battery. This cable stapler is super compact and lightweight. Can also sink staples at a slight angle if you're working overhead or inside stud bays. The movable cable guides make sure you're getting proper alignment, so you don't need to be perfectly aligned when sinking the staple. The cable stapler has a 45 staple magazine capacity and dry fire lockout that prevents you from firing it with no staples loaded. Additionally, the staple viewing window helps you see how many staples you have left. So this is Milwaukee's first ever cordless cable stapler. DeWalt has had a 20 volt max cordless cable stapler out for a couple years, and it overall has a lot of great reviews. The only negative review we've seen for the DeWalt version is that sometimes it has issues fully sinking staples into harder woods and older framing lumber. Hopefully this one is able to resolve this issue so you don't have to go back over the staples with a hammer. Like I said, this tool has been in the works for a while and has a lot of hype built up around its release, so we're excited to see how it performs compared to DeWalt. Did you like that video? Did you find it helpful? Give us a like, we'd really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.